Reify is a verb. That means to make something abstract more concrete, real, or tangible. It involves treating an idea, concept, or theoretical construct as if it were a material object or something that has physical existence. In doing so, reification can simplify complex ideas, but may also lead to misrepresentation by overlooking their abstract or fluid nature. Origins of Reify. The word reify comes from the Latin res, meaning thing, and the suffix ify, meaning to make. It entered English in the mid-19th century, primarily in philosophical and sociological contexts, to describe the process of turning abstract ideas into seemingly concrete entities. How to use reify. Reify is often used in academic, philosophical, or critical contexts where it describes the act of representing intangible or theoretical concepts in a tangible way. For example, reifying emotions like love might involve portraying them as physical objects in art or literature. Similarly, in social sciences, reification can critique how abstract constructs, such as society or power, are treated as if they were fixed entities, rather than dynamic processes. Example sentences. The novel reifies the concept of freedom through its vivid portrayal of open landscapes. Massey critics argue that the theory risks reifying cultural norms, treating them as universal truths rather than social constructs. Similar words materialize to make something abstract visible or tangible. Objectify, to treat something or someone as an object, often disregarding its subjective or complex nature. Concrete, to make specific or definite. Nuances of Reify. While reification can be useful for simplifying or visualizing abstract ideas, it can also be problematic if it distorts or oversimplifies the original concept. For instance, treating success as merely material wealth ignores its multifaceted and subjective dimensions. In essence, reify encapsulates the human tendency to make sense of the abstract by anchoring it to the concrete. It underscores both the power and the potential pitfalls of simplifying complex ideas in order to better understand or communicate them. Subscribe.